we are diving into a whole bunch of, what was that? A whole bunch of new makeup. A whole bunch of new makeup at Ulta. From Ulta that I got yesterday. If you're interested in this eye look, me and John did it. If you're wondering who John is, it's the ghost I have in my house. So if you're interested in that, this is the palette I used. It is not Juvia's Place, but a really good knockoff that I got from TJ Maxx. That is gonna be a video I'll link somewhere for you to look at and watch, because it's actually really funny. I'll show you what I have first and then we can dive into the makeup. I have this Glam Squad by Ulta Beauty. It is bronzer, highlighter, and blush. It's new, love the packaging, and it is gonna be great for travel because you literally have all three things in one. Another highlighter, this is e.l.f. Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighter. The packaging reminds me of the ColourPop highlighters. This is in the shade Soft Pearl Era, very Gen Z. This is in, I forgot to say, this was in the shade Medium Glow. This lipstick from Maybelline, love the packaging. It's so very minimalistic and just nude. This is in the shade 106, Maybe It's Soft, and it is a satin lipstick. Another lip product, this is the NYX Fat Matte Smooth Color Lipstick in the shade Cozy Whipped. Another lipstick, this is in the shade, this is Ulta Beauty Magic Marker Lip Stain, and in the shade Raspberry Kiss. I really wanted this because it looks exactly like a marker. I'll show you. This is a free gift I got. It's a Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. I already have mascara, so I cannot try that today. And I did get this mascara because I just love all Maybelline mascaras, and it said this was new. This is the Body Mascara Full Body Volume All Day Lifted Curve Mascara. Again, I already have mascara on, so I'm not gonna try that today. And then finally, this Ulta Beauty brow tint in the shade, I think it was Soft Brown. Yeah, Soft Brown, which I've used before and I really do like it. So, oh, and last but not least, my favorite thing, this is the NYX Make 'em Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation in the shade 15 Buff. We're hoping and praying that it's the right shade. First things first, let's put some primer on. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Veil Face Primer. Do you see a trend? Yes, Ulta Beauty, because one, it's affordable, and two, the products are actually really good. That primer makes your skin, makes your sin. We don't need any more of that. It makes your skin very smooth. Using our little French fry clip today because why not? Cute. I'm going to put this foundation on with a brush because I have not wet my beauty blender and I don't want to get up, so brush it is today. Okay, it comes out, it's like a little dropper. That's interesting. You know what, let's just drop on our face. Let's do half. I feel like that's not gonna be enough, but we're just gonna try that. Generally NYX products are really good. I really like them. And their foundations are pretty good too, so. Okay, like I thought, that was literally not enough, but if you want a light coverage, then it's actually really pretty. The color is not bad, maybe a little dark, but not anything I can't fix. But the sheen of it is actually really pretty. It doesn't look matte to me. I would say it is a light-ish, and we're definitely gonna build it up, but obviously this side is with, this side is without. I've got a little bit more to cover down here, but it's actually really pretty. I'm very impressed. So let's go on this side. I'm just gonna try to put the same amount, and then we'll build up everything. We can still see the problem areas that I have, but I think it's gonna be super buildable. Let's put some just directly on our brush and let's just go ham, you know? Do people still say that? I am very, very impressed with how this looks on the skin though. I think it looks really, really good. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary, no dry patches. It feels fine. It doesn't feel very heavy on the skin. And it does not look matte to me at all. What I am gonna do is take my dry sponge and spray it with some setting spray just to make it a little damp. And then I'm gonna go in with some concealer because I don't really wanna build up the foundation anymore. I've kind of moved away from that as the older I'm getting. I'm okay with like a less coverage foundation if the concealer is more coverage. So for the concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade 29N Light Medium. And I know this one's pretty full coverage. So I'm just gonna go under my eyes and just anywhere I normally go with it. Try to cover up those spots just a little bit more. Then in the corner of my eyes, to make it a little bit brighter, I'm gonna go in with this Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 140C. I'm gonna blend the concealer out with a brush anywhere that's not underneath my eyes, because I feel like that gives me my maximum coverage that I'm looking for. And then use the sponge underneath my eyes. Just first impressions, I haven't even finished my concealer. But you guys, this foundation looks so good. Like, forehead lines, gone. Hello? It looks really good, y'all. I'm very, very impressed. We fast forwarded a little bit. I cheated. I did the rest of my face because I didn't have any new products to show you. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows with a product I already had, because I felt like this eye look needed a more bold eyebrow instead of just eyebrow gel. So we nixed that. But I finished up my eyes and set my face and all that good stuff. I did use cream, bronzer, and blush, just because I haven't used it in a while. And so yeah, now that's why I have a little bit of color to my face. Glam Squad, let's go in with it. I'm super excited for this. It is just a hefty feeling palette. It just is so nice in the hands. Love the shape, love the colors, love everything. So let's go in with this bronzer. I am pretty scared that it's going to be too dark, but with a light hand, let's hope it's not. My camera died, so if the angle's a little bit different, that's why. Back to the bronzer. Let's just do, yep, that's good. And then, okay, definitely one swipe is good. This bronzer's gonna last me forever. I got a little daring, I did 2 swipes. I think that looks really good. In hindsight, I probably should not have done cream products underneath, just so we can see like how well this does. Put a little bit on my nose, down here, blend. Okay, a little bit goes a very long way. Let me just swatch that so you guys see that's what it looks like. And then right here, pretty dark. For blush, I really like this shade. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, again, a little bit goes a long way. Super pretty and swatched. Yeah, really pretty. I want to use the e.l.f. highlighter, so I'm gonna not use this, but I still do want to swatch it for you guys. Oh, that's really pretty. I figured if the bronzer and the blush were good, then the highlighter would be good as well. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna swatch you. This is the e.l.f. highlighter. This is like way more smooth than the Ulta one. Where do I put you? Maybe here. It's not as like stark as the Ulta one, but it's more shimmery, I guess. That's pretty. I feel like this is very wearable for every day. A subtle kind of underglow, I guess. To me, it is kind of giving a grayish tint, but maybe that's just me. Let me know, do y'all see the gray tint? Is it just me? It is really pretty though. It doesn't look so much like your typical highlighter. It just looks more like a glow. I like it. Do I love it? No, but I like it. Last is lips. I'm gonna swatch all of these for you because you need to see them. So this is the Ulta marker. Again, looks just like a magic marker. And let's swatch it here. Yeah, it draws like a marker too. Now I don't think this raspberry shade is gonna go with my eyes, so I'm not gonna use this one today, but we'll use it for sure. This is the Maybelline, the satin one. Very smooth, very pretty. And then the NYX Fat Matte. It looks like one of the ColourPop crayons. There, okay. So we've got a raspberry, a dark nude, and then a lighter nude. I'm gonna go with this dark one. I'm gonna line my lips really quick first though. I purposely didn't color them in so that we could see the color for what it is. Again, this is a satin lipstick. I feel like it's gonna be really dark. Oh, that's okay. It smells so good. It's really, really pretty, and it feels really nice on the lips, and it smells good. Just my only qualm, and it's not really a qualm of the product, it's just personal preference. I just prefer matte, but to be very honest with you, they were out of the matte color that I wanted, and my husband convinced me to get this because it's different and I don't normally have satin lipsticks. He wanted me to try something different. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what products you liked the best. Let me know if there's anything new at the drugstore you want me to try, because I'm so down. I tried to find as many new things as I could, plus some things that were just new to me. And I'll do some videos with some other things that I haven't tried yet, but yeah, so far so good with these new products, especially this foundation. It looks amazing. I really, really like it. I don't think it looks very matte. It just looks so good, and it feels so lightweight. If anything, that would be the one product I would tell you to run out and go get, is the NYX the NYX Make 'em Wonder foundation. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.